Welcome back. I am Curly Lala and this is Satin Bonnets for beginners. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the new drops and all our tutorials on all the products. Let's get into it. So what exactly is the purpose of a satin bonnet? The main purpose of a satin bonnet is to protect your hairstyle day and night. The satin material on these satin bonnets helps to lock in moisture and avoid breakage, creases, or tangles in your curls. Satin bonnet preserves curls, maintains blowouts, and minimizes frizz, and maintains protective styles. Putting on your bonnet. Okay, you can see I've already got my hair pineappled up in a MP Tress Treats Itsy Bitsy Satin Scrunchie. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my bonnet. Tuck the hair in. Now it's to your preference if you want it down here closer to your forehead or closer to your hairline. Whatever feels better for you. And that's it. MP Tress Treats bonnets come in various sizes from child all the way up to large bonnet. And all your MP Tress Treats are made to order. So please leave from 7 to 14 days for shipping. Good night, lovelies.